Good morning, students. Sarah. I wish you all a very, very happy new year. So, let us start with our today's class. In the last class before your winter vacations, we were doing formation of new words. That is your topic of your grammar. Formation of words. We have learned how to convert verb into noun, adjective into noun, and how can we get noun from a verb. So these were the certain changes that we learned from the verb and noun and adjective. Today we are going to see certain more changes, like how we can get verb from a noun by just adding prefix. Now, what is prefix? Which is added before a word. That is known as prefix. A group of word which is added before a word and which gives a result as a new word. So now today in this class we will learn how we will get a verb from noun by adding prefix. The first word is camp. By adding en, we will get the new word encamp. The next word is danger. By adding prefix en, the new word become endanger. The same way, roll will become enroll. Slave will become enslave. Title will become entitle. So by adding en prefix to the words camp, danger, roll, slave, title, we got the new verb. Now, if we had the nouns like fool, due, guile, head, friend, we can add be as a prefix to these words to get verb. Like fool become be fool, due becomes be due, guile become beguile, head become behead, and friend become befriend. So this is how from noun we can get verb by just adding prefix like ben. One more example of some miscellaneous conversation. That miscellaneous I have told you before also. Miscellaneous mean where we cannot uh, confirm that we have to add a suffix or a prefix. They doesn't follow a simple rule. Like bath becomes bath by just adding e. From noun to verb, it just got one more letter, that is e, and it becomes a verb. Bless will remain same, bless. Blood becomes bleed. Company become accompany. Frost become freeze. Fruit become fruitify. Game become gambol. And half become half. So here as you can see that they are not following any certain rule or regulation or any changes is confirmed here. Only as you can see the first example, the spelling is same, bath and bath. The only difference is there that if we find e in bath, that means that is a verb, and if we remove e from that word bath, it becomes noun. Bless is with the same spelling is a noun also and a verb also. The blood become bleed. Company accompany. So they are not following any certain rule and regulation. And that's why they are known as miscellaneous conversation. And you have to learn this conversation as it is. And if you want to learn, that is present in your grammar book on page number 76. Now, let us see how you can get adjectives from noun. Now here you have to add suffix. We are not going to see prefix here, but we are going to see suffix. Suffix which is added at the end of the word. So the word like ancestor, autumn, economy, fate, history. These are the noun words. By just adding al as a suffix to it, it becomes adjective. If we add al, al to this word, it becomes ancestral. Autumn, also if we add al, it becomes autumnal. Economy plus al become economical. Fate plus al become fatal. History plus al become historical. So we can see that by adding al to the noun, it becomes adjective. Now, again, nouns are here. We are having noun, and by adding ful full to these noun, it will become adjective. Like beauty become beautiful. If we will add full here, it will become beautiful. Cheer plus full becomes cheerful. Duty plus full becomes dutiful. Law plus full becomes lawful. Mercy plus full become merciful. So this is how we can get adjective from noun by just adding the suffix. We can see the suffix are here. These are the suffix. ful is a suffix. Now, let us see the next example. We have to add ous as a suffix. As we can see here, suffix is added here in the noun and it will become an adjective. Calamity, chivalry, danger, humor, moment. These are the noun. And by adding ous into these words, they become a new word. Calamity become calamitous. Chivalry become chivalrous. Danger become dangerous. Humor become humorous. Moment become momentous. So this is how we can get adjective from a noun by adding suffix ous. Now, the next example is of adding ly as a suffix to these words to the noun. We get adjective. Like heaven. By adding ly to heaven, it becomes heavenly. By adding ly to hill, it becomes hilly. R plus ly becomes hourly. Night plus ly becomes nightly. Month plus ly becomes monthly. So this is how by adding ly as a suffix to these nouns we get adjective and new words. But there are again some miscellaneous conversation from noun to adjective which doesn't follow any particular rules or regulation of suffix and prefix. They just change from one form to another without following any rules. Like for example, atmosphere becomes atmospheric, angle becomes angular, hero becomes heroic, ignorance becomes ignorant, jokes become jocular, north become northern, and talk becomes talkative. So this is the miscellaneous conversation of noun to adjective. So every form have some miscellaneous conversation of the words because they doesn't follow any similar rules and regulation. With this, we complete our chapter formation of words of grammar. You all have to go through this chapter or this conversation that is present in your grammar book from page number 72, 73, 74, 75 and 76, 77. These are the page numbers of your grammar book on which you can find these conversion, and you can try to do the activity also. With this, I complete this chapter and this class also, students. Take care, students. Thank you.